Are you okay?
What's up? Hey, you want to buy an omelet for $5?
For Spongia X Lacte, you're going to need 4 eggs, black pepper, honey, 250 milliliters of milk, or I translated to around 8 ounces. Okay, so what you're going to need to do next is add the 4 eggs. I did that softly. Quick, take the eggs out. Okay. And add the milk. And add some of the black pepper.
And stick to it.
What? Man, come on now, get that pep off there. Come on, somebody come get this, man. Come on now. Come on.
Okay, so after adding all the ingredients, what you want to do is mix it up. Stab the eggs. You want to make sure they don't dip anymore. After a bit of mixing, you should reach to where it's about at this point. I also mixed in a little bit of olive oil. That's a step I forgot earlier. I apologize. Next step is you want to come over to your stove. You want to pop it up on about medium heat is where I'd cook eggs. Add a little bit of olive oil. And wait for it to heat up. Okay, so now once the pan is heated up, you want to add your mixture. That was a lot more sizzly than I thought it was going to be. Turn it back on the low heat for a little bit. What I do to help it cook a little bit faster is to put this on top, the hat, so that it keeps the heat trapped and cooks the egg more thoroughly. Also because I added all the mixture at once, and apparently the recipe said that you have to make like a few different slabs, but I'm just gonna have one egg, so why not? Okay, so once the egg is cooked, you want to move the pan off heat, turn the stove off, and move it onto a plate. Mine looks a little bit runny, but I like my eggs just a little bit runnier. So once you want to do after cleaning up your workspace, move the egg over here. You want to take honey. I got this 100% pure mountain honey. Dip the little, I don't even know what tool this is called, thingy in, and then you just kind of drizzle with honey. That's not a lot of honey. You want to continue to do this until you get your desired coverage of honey. When you've added the desired amount of honey, there's quite a bit on there because I do like honey. You want to take it, and this is probably going to fall apart, but you want to carefully kind of fold over. And after that, if you want, you can be like me and grab a little more black pepper. And sprinkle it on for a little extra seasoning. Take out a fork. And enjoy. Take out one of your parents' fancy wine glasses. Go over to the cran grape juice. This is grape juice. This isn't wine. This is legal stuff. And then pour yourself a generous jar, because you never know what could be in the water. And live it up like a king.